I'm gonna do one more. I want you to see the temperature of the meat. Right, it's Family Dollar, 10 Mile Ryan. So this saying this 15 minus degrees in there, 15 minus. This saying 16 minus. This is saying it's 10 degrees minus. Now look at this, 89 degrees, not minus, just 89 degrees hot. 89 degrees hot, water, unfrozen meat. They got all this meat. And what is this? Oh, this is ground beef. Ground beef hot. All this ground beef in here. Look at this. It's water, heated meat. So all these patties, all this stuff in here is just disgusting. It's crazy. Look at this. Dripping. This is nothing close to frozen. That's junk crazy.